In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Shopify Development Store. This is useful when you want to build a Shopify store in a safe environment before launching it, testing it, or handing it over to a client. A development store lets you set things up without needing to publish a live store right away, so you can work on the design, settings, apps, and general structure at your own pace. To begin, log into your Shopify Partner dashboard. This is the main place where Shopify partners manage their client work, development stores, and other partner tools. Make sure you are using your own partner account and avoid showing any private account details on screen while recording. Once you are signed in, you should land on the partner dashboard home area where you can access the main navigation menu. Now look at the sidebar on the left side of the dashboard. In that menu, click Stores. This section is where Shopify lists the stores connected to your partner account. If you have created stores before, you may see them listed here. If this is your first time, the area may look mostly empty. Either way, this is the correct place to start when creating a new development store. After opening the Stores section, look for the Add Store button. Click Add Store to begin the store creation process. This button starts a guided setup where Shopify asks what type of store you want to create. Take a moment here to make sure you are choosing the right option, because Shopify may show different store types depending on your account and what you are trying to do. Next, select Create Development Store. This option is specifically designed for building and testing Shopify stores before they are launched or transferred. It is not the same as creating a regular live store for immediate public use. Choosing the Development Store option gives you a workspace where you can set things up, explore Shopify features, and prepare the store properly before it becomes active for a real business. Once you select the Development Store option, Shopify will ask you to choose the use case for the store. You may see options such as building a new store for a client or testing and building. Choose the option that matches your purpose. If you are creating the store for client work, select the client-related option. If you are using the store to experiment, test features, or build something for practice, choose the testing and building option. This helps Shopify understand how the store will be used. Now you will need to enter a store name. Use a clear name that helps you identify the project later. Since this name may appear inside your dashboard, it is best to keep it simple and professional. You will also need to enter a password to protect the store during development. This password helps prevent unauthorized visitors from accessing the storefront while it is still being built. Do not use or display any personal password in a video. If you are demonstrating the process, use a hidden or generic entry and keep sensitive information off screen. After that, you may see a developer preview setting. This part is optional. Developer preview settings let you create a store that includes upcoming Shopify features or specific development environments. If you do not need a preview feature, you can leave this setting as it is. If you are testing something that requires a particular preview, choose the one that matches your project. For most standard development stores, the default setting is usually fine. Once all of the required details are filled in, review the information on the page. Make sure the use case is correct, the store name is accurate, and the password field is completed. When everything looks ready, click Save. Shopify will then initialize the new development store. This may take a short moment, so wait for the dashboard to finish creating it. After the store is created, you will be taken into the new development store environment, or you will see it appear in your list of stores. From there, you can begin working on the store setup, design, products, and settings as needed. And that is all there is to it.